has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boone County in north central Illinois, northern Oakland County in north central Illinois, Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 3 o'clock p.m. At 2:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Foreston, or 11 miles south of Freeport, and moving rapidly northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rockford Airport, Rockford, McChesney Park, Loves Park, Rockton, South Beloit, Belvedere, Byron, Pecatonica, Winnebago, Durand, Cherry Valley, Roscoe, Poplar Grove, Adeline, Leaf River, and New Milford. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 o'clock p.m. Monday evening for northeastern Illinois.